Hi guys, welcome to AmennyPropertyTV channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why top sales never die. If you are looking to coming into the real estate business or real estate industry as a negotiator, you would like to know who will survive in the real estate life. I saw many real estate negotiators, they are joining this $1 million industry. They come in and they go out. What is the reason for those people they are be able to survive and they excel well in real estate industry? Is those people that they are a top producer, we call it real estate closer. There will be a difference between a salesperson and also a closer. The difference between the salesperson and the closer are easily able to wrap up the deal at the end of the presentation. But somehow the salesperson is just by feeding the information to the customer, but end up it probably cannot close sales at the end of the presentation. It's easy for you to spot the good closer. They have 3 different obvious skills that you can spot it immediately. Good communication skill, listening skill, and a closing skill. Top closer are someone self-motivated, positive, and focused in whatever deal that they are doing. Top closer, they are someone that having a good problem-solving skill, provide a solutions, and give a confidence to the client by giving the deals to them. These people can survive in any difficult situation. Last week, one of my top closer in a company just closed a big deal, and I want to show you the figure. Let me show you. One of my top producer have receiving the paycheck last week. This is the rewards. Who will survive in the real estate life? If you want to be the top producers and continuously achieve your dream and go in real estate, you need to practice to be a real estate closer. You need to have a different skills. The conclusion is top sales never die in real estate industry. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my YouTube channel, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I promise you, you will get a free video every week. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.